Hello, my name is Sophia. I found out about Dan from the YouTube. November last year, I was browsing the YouTube, trying to find some information about how to do a good presentation, and one of Dan's YouTube video popped on my screen. So I took a quick look at it, and it instantly grabbed my attention. And the way he's presented on his YouTube video was very new, and the concept I have never heard from anywhere else. So the following a couple of weeks, I just went on the YouTube and watched a lot more of Dan's YouTube videos. And I have learned a lot and benefited a lot from his YouTube alone. So when I clicked one of his links, and he's directed me to download his book, FU Money, and then led me to a webinar, which is showing the HTC certificate program. So, because I have already benefited a lot from his YouTube videos alone, so this is a no-brainer for me to just jump on the program that he's offering. Because I thought, if I can learn so much from his YouTube program, the videos, how much more I can learn if I can directly mentored by him. So the HTC program is never disappointed me, and it's actually surprised me in so many ways. I never thought that the one-on-one basis feeling that I can get from Dan's HTC program. Because when I bought, the other programs that from other coaches before, I could never get a direct answer from the coaches. But on the HTC program, and you can get your answer straight away from Dan and also his team and other mentors and also other fellow HTC students, which is in a private Facebook HTC family. So the most impact I get from Dan's teaching is he's teaching the skills that he has been using for so many years, which made him millions of dollars. So he's not teaching something that he's not using, and he's imparting these skills that is not only a sales skill, but it's also a life skill that we can benefit the rest of our lives. And also you can feel the caring and the expectation that he's putting on his student. He's always want his student to succeed, to progress and grow. And from his teaching, through his words, but behind these words, you can feel his caring heart and soul. So especially for me, from a background of spiritual practice, I never thought that I can get this kind of spiritual transformation from a business program like Dan's HTC program. What I can see myself in the next 12 months from now on, just these 7 weeks that been studied with Dan and his mentors like Kevin and Desmond, and also other HTC members from the same program, and graduates and students, I have already benefited a lot, and my mindset, my confidence, my self-esteem is all improved. So in the next 12 months, I can see myself be more confident and make more money and be more freer, and also do whatever I like to do and travel the world a lot more and make an impact in the world that I intend to. So for people who is watching this and also thinking about whether they want to take the program or not, or maybe they think, money is a stretch for them, what I would like to ask you to ask yourself is, what is the most important thing in life that you want to achieve right now? And if money is a stretch, is it the right time for you to make a decision to change it, or you just want to stay on this kind of mindset about money the rest of your life? So for me, it's a no-brainer. I had a lot of different thinking about money before I joined this HTC program. But my mindset totally changed. And I'm very glad that I have studied with Dan. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sifu Dan and mentors Kevin and Desmond, and also the other HTC graduates and fellow colleagues, students. Thank you. Bye for now.